So in this problem, we have c to the 4/5 to the 2/3. Assuming that c is greater than 0, we want to write simplified expression using positive exponent. Be sure your variable matches that in the question. So we're looking at the variable c. So this is just going to use the property that c to the a to the b is equal to c to the a times b. So in this case, we have c to the 4/5 to the 2/3. That's c to the 4/5 times 2/3, which is c to the 8/15. So that would be the answer to part A. Part B says write a simplified expression in radical form where n is blank and m is. So n is called the root. Root is in the bottom, that's the denominator. So this c to the 8, erase this, c to the 8/15 is equal to 15th root of c to the 8. This is called the radical form of this. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video.